At Dyer, servicing your vehicle has never been easier. With you and your time in mind, servicing with factory-trained technicians for way less than you'd ever expect.
Glad you're here. Welcome to Dyer Kia. We're taking care of you and your vehicle is our top priority.
Welcome to the Dyer Service Difference, servicing virtually all make and model vehicles. From simple maintenance like oil changes to complete engine or transmission overhauls and warranty repairs, let us put your state-of-the-art technology to work for you. From our initial vehicle walkaround using Groove Glove technology, which identifies tire wear and balance issues before they become safety hazards, or our brake fluid testers that quickly alert us to fluid issues that could cause brake failure down the road, to complete vehicle diagnostics. Using the proper equipment ensures our factory-trained technicians will have your vehicle back to you as quickly as possible with worry-free driving ahead. A better way to service is right here at Dyer Kia. With you and your vehicle always in mind, experience the Dyer Service Difference today.
This is our complimentary coffee and snack station that we have here at Dyer Kia. I hope you enjoy our comfortable waiting room and our complimentary snacks. And once again, taking care of your customer service is our top priority.